We'll explore how you can make the most of pre-made prompts by loading them into Chat GPT to generate specific to you posts. If you've purchased pre-made prompts or templates, this video is for you. By the end, you'll have a clear understanding of how to leverage AI-powered language models to create engaging content for your social media platforms. Let's dive in. Before we jump into the process of using pre-made prompts, let's discuss why they can be incredibly valuable for your social media strategy. Pre-made prompts are expertly crafted prompts or templates designed specifically for your industry or niche. They provide a solid foundation and inspiration for generating engaging social media posts. If you've already purchased pre-made prompts or templates, you're one step ahead and guaranteed you've saved yourself hours of work. If you haven't purchased a ready-made list yet, there are various platforms and resources available online where you can find industry-specific pre-made prompts tailored to your needs. A good place to look is Etsy or Amazon, and we're partial to Prompt Studio, of course. There's a link below if you'd like to explore additional prompts for your business or social media. Once you have your pre-made prompts, it's time to load them into Chat GPT and start generating your social media posts. Here's how you can do it. Step 1. Create a free account with Chat GPT. The link is provided in the PDF that was sent to you if you purchased your list through Prompt Studio on Etsy or Amazon. Step 2. Copy and paste your pre-made prompts into Chat GPT and hit enter. Only load one at a time. The results you receive can be made even better by incorporating your brand's unique voice, tone, and style. Make sure you are including your company's name and the industry into the pre-made prompts. It's easy to do this. Simply put your company's name or industry where indicated by parenthesis in the pre-made prompt command. We'd like to take a second to say thanks for surfing over to Side Dignation. It's a cool place to be, especially if you are looking to add some side income to your bottom line. Here we show you how to find a side gig that you can start right away using skills you already have. Check out our full lineup. We post twice a week, so make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification symbol so you always get the latest updates. We now return you to your regularly scheduled program. Once you have customized and refined your generated posts, it's time to schedule and publish them on your social media platforms. Here's a good plan for success. Employ social media management tools or platforms that allow you to schedule posts in advance across different social media platforms. Create a posting schedule that ensures a consistent presence on your social media platforms. This helps in maintaining engagement with your audience. Congratulations! You've learned how to use pre-made prompts to generate industry-specific social media posts. By loading these prompts into Chat GPT and customizing the generated responses to align with your brand, you can create engaging content that resonates with your audience. Remember, pre-made prompts are just a starting point, and it's essential to infuse your brand's unique touch to make the post truly yours. Get creative, experiment, and watch your social media presence thrive. Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoy your pre-made AI prompts. We'd love to hear from you. Check us out on Facebook or YouTube at Side Dignation via Etsy or leave us a comment below.